Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get all of the biofuel blocks in Subnautica 2. So first of all, we'll go from the easiest to the hardest one to get, and the first one is made from fibrous pulp. Fibrous pulp can be found on the surface of the shallow biome on these kind of plants, the whip gorgon, which you can cut using the survival multi-tool. You'll need 5 fibrous pulp for 1 biofuel block. Also, another fiber source is found inside of caves, which is this feather kelp. Also cut it with the survival multi-tool, and also you can get fibrous pulp from cutting plants on which the Lucifer red sac is located at. So this is the first option to get the biofuel block, and once you go to the processor, here you just want to go configure and click on the biofuel block. This will select the recipe, and then you just click load processor. Now for the second option is to collect some pins. You'll need 3 pins for 1 biofuel block, which is a better deal than the fibrous pulp. And to get pins easily, you want to go to the north about 80 meters from the life pod, and here you should find this kind of grassy land and these green pins, which you can then collect, and they are going to really fastly grow. Back again. As you can see, I waited about 2 minutes and they are starting to grow again. Also, you can farm the pins once you've found the grow bed, so this is really a good option. Once again, you do the same thing with the fibrous pulp. You just change the recipe. And lastly, to get the last recipe, you want to go from the life pod towards east direction. You'll need to go about 300 meters, and once you've found a biome where there are going to be located some crabs, you should find another resource, the crab feces. So as you can see, I'm about 200 meters towards the east direction, and here you can see these crabs, which are going to stand up once you get close to them. And around these cliffs you should find some crab feces, which can be used to craft the biofuel blocks. And this is the best deal in comparison to the other two, because you'll need only 2 feces to get 1 biofuel block. And as you can see, I found some crab feces right here. Don't worry, you should find plenty of crab feces right here too, but I've already searched this whole area and gathered many of the feces. And once you grab the crab feces, this is going to unlock the biofuel block from crab feces recipe. So this is pretty much all. How to get all of the biofuel block recipes in Subnautica 2. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.